We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 4-bedroom apartment 9B. Let's go on in. So we enter this apartment, you'll see we've got the living room straight ahead of us, and the kitchen is over to our right, and the bathroom is over to our left. Let's go through the living room and then we'll do the kitchen and the bathroom and the bedroom. So here we've got the living room space. I like how they've set this up. It's a little different than I've seen in some of the other apartments. Sometimes we'll see the dining table in other locations, but you can see the TV, the seating areas. The furniture does come in the apartment. They put the dining table over here today for this one. And you can see the air conditioner is under the window for this living room area. We're right here in central Collegetown. This is facing east. We're looking up Dryden Road. The intersection right there is the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, which is the main intersection of Collegetown here in our neighborhood. And across the way, you can see that building is Cascadilla Hall, so that's the Collegetown dorm. So you can see how close we are to campus. I'm gonna zoom in. We can see the tops of some buildings over at the university. That's the top of part of the law school, and the clock tower, I think, is the other one. And let's go back through. So that's the living room setup. I think this is a nice large living room for the apartment and this space. Let's go see, we'll do the bathroom next. Here's the bathroom. You can see that standing tub shower. That's the same that we're gonna see in all the apartments. There's your sink and your toilet, and there's a cabinet over on the wall as well. Let's go through the kitchen. We've got a fun feature in this kitchen that is unique to this apartment. So this is another of our renovated kitchens, but take a look at this door on the right. This one does have a kitchen pantry closet. So you have an extra space for your kitchen items here. And let's go over and see the kitchen. Okay, so renovated kitchen. So we've got the newer appliances. And I think they did a nice job with these renovated kitchens in here. So we've got the stainless appliances, there's the dishwasher, the microwave, the cabinets and drawers, and the stove and oven. We're gonna go back through and see the bedrooms. Bedroom 1 is over here. This is closest to the, on the bathroom side. So let's go into room 1. And room 1 has a unique layout. It has the windows in a little folded way over here. You can see all the sun coming in. So it's still late morning, so we've got a lot of sun coming in. This is facing to the east. And here's the bookshelf. And I like how the bed fits in the nook over here. Let's go on, the closet was behind that door. Let's go to the next room, room 2. And room 2 over here. I like this room. Look at these windows, so it's extra bright in here. So we've got windows facing in 2 directions because we are on the corner of the building. Go peek out one of those so you can see, again, up Dryden Road. And another nook for the bed over here. I think that works out really well for a bed space. And the furnishings. These windows were a little higher up than the other bedrooms, but there are 4 of them. So again, super bright for this room here. Let's go across the living space. We're gonna go back into room 3. Okay, so room 3 is across from the kitchen, and let's go in. I think this is another nice room here. These are all great rooms, but all slightly different in shape. So I think it's hard to pick which one is a favorite in this apartment. Closet, furnishings. The bedrooms, you know, will always have the full-size bed, the dresser, the desk and chair, and the bookshelf. And sometimes the closets will have a mirror left on them from a previous tenant. If we find a mirror on a closet door, we will leave it. They don't come with, but we'll occasionally find them in there. Okay, let's head on through into room 4. Room 4. Again, still here in central Collegetown with this Dryden Road view. So great people watching over here on Dryden Road. All the same furnishings. It's a good amount of space. You can move furniture around however you like within the apartments. So this is a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 9B, with a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with a renovated kitchen here at 111 Dryden Road in central Collegetown. In this 9-floor elevator building, we are on the top floor and we are just 1 block from campus.